Well-conditioned trotters are lined up for the Sunday night opener. Six-pack, they're on the gate. And they're off. Smiley charges out from along the inside with Mr. Justice, who left alertly in between trotters. Johnny Boy F left a touch there in the center of the track as they trot into that opening turn, but it's Mr. Justice and Rockin' Rodney who are up to take the early lead. Mighty Savage was off stride at the back of the pack as Mr. Justice continues to sweep up around Smiley. It's a gap of 2 lengths to Johnny Boy F, who trots in third. Always in Blackpedia, next in line fourth in front of Quiet Giant. It's far back to Mighty Savage after the miscue. They're past the quarter, 28 and 4, and DeBeck looks to tap on the brakes here with Mr. Justice, who continues to show the way. Now Tetrick gives Johnny Boy F his cue to the outside, and Johnny Boy F surges up to take over control from Mr. Justice. Always in Blackpedia, the filly up on the outside for Tyler Smith, but now she's off stride. Always in Blackpedia, made a break once again. Smiley continues on third. Quiet Giant is gapped off from the pack about 5 lengths, but trots in fourth as they move past the half. 58 and 1. 29 and 2 for that second quarter. Johnny Boy F gets a couple of whip tap reminders there. He continues to lead the way onto the far turn with Mr. Justice just in behind second. Smiley third in front of Quiet Giant, who has tightened up and is now only 5 lengths off the lead. As Smiley is now off stride around the turn, so we're down to just a trio here. Johnny Boy F continues to show the way with Mr. Justice tightly in behind from second. Quiet Giant is a distant third right now, past 3/4. 129 and 2. It's Johnny Boy F, the Muscle Hill Colt, who turns for home with a 3-length lead. Mr. Justice now put to the test to the center of the track in second. Quiet Giant, the first-time starter, still third. They hit mid-stretch. Johnny Boy F, Tetrick trying to hold them together. Mr. Justice is out there in the center second. Quiet Giant is third, but it's all Johnny Boy F. He's going to break his maiden tonight. Johnny Boy F takes it from Mr. Justice, who finished second. Quiet Giant was third and 159. Tonight.